Hello guys, welcome to the video of HealthSpot. Many who want to gain weight and bulk up tend to resort to supplements and steroids without proper knowledge and consultation about the same. A number of teenagers, especially, have an unhealthy obsession with bulking up, which leads them to improper dieting habits and extensive exercises, which could lead to disorders. There are certain foods that are good for those who are trying to gain weight. Just because you want to bulk up, it doesn't mean that you can eat just about anything. Just like weight loss, weight gain also requires careful planning, knowledge, and strategy. Here in this video, we gonna tell you about some amazing foods that are popularly recommended for healthy weight gain. 1. Milk. Milk has been used as a weight gainer or muscle builder for decades. It provides a good balance of proteins, carbs, and fats, and is a good source of calcium, as well as other vitamins and minerals. For those trying to add more muscle, milk is an excellent protein source that provides both casein and whey proteins. 2. Bananas. Bananas are high in calories and are hence good for refueling yourself after a workout. They make for great weight gain foods too. 3. Chicken. Lean protein sources like chicken are excellent sources of protein, and very popular among those who want to bulk up. Did you know that about 100 grams of chicken contains 25 grams of protein? Stick to chicken fats roasted, or boiled with slight seasoning, for taste. 4. Nuts and nut butter. Nuts and nut butter are perfect choices if you're looking to gain weight. Just one small handful of raw almonds 1/4 cup contains 170 calories, 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of healthy fats. Since nuts are very calorie-dense, just 2 handfuls per day with a meal, or as a snack, can quickly add hundreds of calories. You can add nut butter to a variety of snacks, or dishes such as smoothies, yogurts, and crackers, to turn them into a high-calorie snack in no time. 5. Eggs. One of the best ways to bulk up naturally is to eat eggs. Eggs are full of protein, and can help you build muscles. They also have other essential vital nutrients that are good for overall health. It is best to have eggs that are hard-boiled. Make sure that you are not eating an excessive amount. 6. Cheese. Cheese has been a staple food for centuries. Like dark chocolate, it's high in calories and fats. Just 1 ounce of cheddar cheese 28 grams, has 110 calories, and 7 grams of protein. Since cheese is tasty, you can incorporate it into most dishes, and easily add several hundred extra calories. Cheese is available in countless varieties, from cream to soft, to hard. Many kinds of cheese are high in cholesterol, and saturated fat. Like most high-calorie foods, cheeses of all kinds are best consumed in moderation. Now talk about the bottom line. The secret behind gaining weight is consistently eating more calories than you're burning with activity. Lifting weights is important too, so that the additional calories from foods and high-calorie snacks can be used to build muscle instead of just adding fat. Incorporate the foods on this list into meals and meal plans that you enjoy and can stick with over the long term. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.